guys, when I purchased this new wall switch that requires no hub, I found it on Amazon and it's relatively new. I bought a 4-pack that is only $49 and some change. That brings down the cost to each switch $12.50. So it was a great buy, excellent buy if you're just getting into turning your home into a smart home. And look at here, guys, it says works with these devices. As you can see here in the illustration where I found it on Amazon. Hi guys, welcome back to TW Home Show. I'm here with you again today with another treat from TreatLife. Smart home devices. This is TreatLife Smart Light Switch. It's a single pole light switch. You're gonna love this. A lot of people have been asking me in the past, Todd, do I have to have a smart hub in my smart home? And now pretty much you don't. A SmartHome Hub is a thing of the past, hopefully guys. And this is what's gonna be shown today to you and show you how easy you can make your home smarter with wall switches now. This is how simple the wall switch looks. It's got 4 wires on it like any normal connected light switch on your wall. You'll match up your wire connections on your old switch, but make sure guys, if you don't feel comfortable with installing electric products yourself, hire an electrician or somebody more professional that can handle electrical installations. That's my warning to you guys, because I want you to be here for my next video. So let's move on with this. I'm going to show you a quick installation of 3 switches I put in side by side and show you how that process goes very quickly. I'm not going to get into the details guys. I'm just going to show you how I put them in, and then we'll get to the exciting part, and that's going to be pairing the devices. We'll go into detail on that, and then also programming our devices to work with Alexa. All right guys, make sure you always go to your breaker box, main unit. Mine's located in my garage. Find your circuit. The selected circuit we want today is our kitchen, and make sure to flip that circuit breaker off when you're working on your electric wall switches. Okay guys, we're back. We're in our SmartLife app. We're going to go ahead and hit the plus sign at the top right corner to program our switch. And we're going to pick switch Wi-Fi in our selections here. The first option, make sure our indicator light is flashing here, which it is. And we're going to go ahead and click on confirm. And then we're going to enter our Wi-Fi and password to our 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi in our house. That's what it needs. So confirm. And then it will go into connecting pairing mode. Device is found. And it's done. Now we can label our device. And this one I want as kitchen bar. Kitchen bar. Save. Successful, and we're done. And we'll go ahead and test it out where they're at. It says it's off. Go ahead and turn it on. It worked. Go ahead and turn it off with our app, and it worked. All right guys, now we're going to create a group under our Amazon device. So we've got those 3 new devices, those cool new switches by TreatLife. We're going to open up our Amazon app, and we're going to actually combine them under one group name so we can turn them all on and all off with that one group name. So we're in our Amazon app, and at the main screen we want to hit that plus sign at the top right corner, and it gives you these options at the bottom. We want the second option down that says add a group devices together. So select that, and then our name we want as kitchen. It's already a common name, so we're going to select that and check it. Then we're going to hit our next button. Okay, right here it's going to have a list of all your Alexa enabled devices, and we want to search for the 3 switches that we've just installed. Right down here under kitchen, we've got kitchen bar. I'll select that. It makes a little check mark next to it, see? And then kitchen cabinets and kitchen island. Then we're going to hit our save button at the bottom. Now, Alexa created a group called kitchen. So guys, now we should be able to try it out. Let's just see it in the app here. If we scroll up to kitchen, and it says 3 new devices. You can select that group here, and you can see which devices you have on there already. You've got a main switch to turn it on or off, all of them. That's where you can turn it on or off. You don't have to go to the SmartLife app. You could just come to Amazon and just operate them right from here. But now, let's see how this works. Amazon, turn off kitchen. It says they're all off now. Okay, let's test it from this screen here. Amazon, turn off kitchen. Oh, we've already turned it off. Amazon, turn on kitchen. Let's watch for it.
Okay.
There it goes. It's on now. Amazon, turn off kitchen. Let's wait for it.
Okay.
Waiting. Within the app, it's a little bit delayed, but I'm sure they're already off in the kitchen. I'm just waiting, you know, just to show you, and there it goes, it's off. So guys, we've got them all grouped. It will work if we tell it to work. Hope you liked this video today. I hope to make another one with these light switches to make them work with a sensor. So make sure you subscribe. I'm going to introduce you to all these new smart home ideas and items that don't require a smart hub now anymore. So the average simple homeowner or the DIYer like me that doesn't want to fool with another device in the loop, the SmartHome Hub, none of that anymore, guys. Stay tuned, subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right guys, there's the kitchen right here, all dark. We're gonna try it out. Echo, turn on kitchen. Boom. Guys, look. Echo, turn off kitchen. All off, it's working guys. We're gonna try to turn on just one switch now. Echo, turn on kitchen island. Should be the middle ones. There they go, the 2 middle ones. Echo, turn off kitchen island. Echo, turn on kitchen bar. Should be this bar right around here. And it works guys, so they're all working. I'm gonna go ahead and turn all of them on now. Echo, turn on kitchen. There you have it. And you can also, guys, of course, physically press the button right here on your new switches and turn them off one by one or on one by one. It's just one click, one press.
regret.